Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Biological Diversity Amendment Bill of 2021. Environmentalists have expressed tremendous concerns over amendments to the Biological Diversity Act 2002 on the grounds that it prioritizes intellectual property and commercial trade at the expense of the act's key aim. The key objective of the act was to conserve biological resources. It is being argued that the materialistic needs are being prioritized over the environment and therefore defeating the whole purpose of the Biological Diversity Act. Furthermore, the amendment bill was drafted in response to complaints by traditional Indian medicine practitioners, industry researchers, Sikh sector that the Biological Diversity Act 2002, which was previously enacted for conservation of biological diversity, to ensure fair and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of the use of biological resources with indigenous and local communities, imposed a heavy compliance burden and made it hard to conduct collaborative research and investments and simplify patent application processes. It was suggested that with the times the processes also has to change and the regulation has to be loosened up and therefore make the process easier for the smooth functioning of the whole process. Enacted in the 2002, now we will discuss about brief history of Biological Diversity Act 2002. The act aims at the conservation of biological resources, managing its sustainable use and enabling fair and equitable sharing benefits arising out of the use and knowledge of biological resources with the local communities. It was a very, very important act, much needed act, but now it is being argued that the whole purpose of the act is being defeated by the amendment. Now I will present some features of the act. The act prohibits the following activities without the prior approval from the National Biodiversity Authority (NBA). Any person or organization obtaining any biological resource occurring in India for its research or commercial utilization is banned. The transfer of the result of any research relating to any biological resources occurring in or obtained from India. The claim of any intellectual property rights on any invention based on the research made on the biological resources obtained from India. It was the Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav on Monday who referred to Biological Diversity Amendment Act to Joint Parliamentary Committee. Mr. Yadav had introduced the bill in Lok Sabha last week. Ministry officials have said that the draft will also be opened for public consultation soon, which will enhance the act and make sure that it is without any loopholes. The 21-member committee is to submit its report to Parliament in the next session. Since its introduction, the Biological Diversity Amendment Bill 2021 has been criticized tremendously by environmentalists, with detractors saying that the draft bill aims at opening up biodiversity resources protected under the Biological Diversity Act, which the government is seeking to amend, to companies looking to make a profit. It is being argued that the whole process is turned into a capitalism project. The Environment Ministry, meanwhile, has said that the bill looks at enhancing patenting by Indian researchers and companies by opening up regional offices of the National Biodiversity Board, which issues permission. It is being argued by the ministry that the whole idea to amend the bill is to make easy for the people for the patenting process. This is all about the Biological Diversity Amendment Act.